So hi, hello friends, welcome to Malini Fashion. So in this video I'm going to share you how to do a tinted lip balm. This lip balm is very easy and you can wear it as your lipsticks also. So let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please click the red color subscribe button and the bell icon for the latest notification. Friends, if you want to watch our others videos and all means, go to the description box. There will be the playlist of our all other videos. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Friends, first take a bowl and I'm going to take a Vaseline petroleum gel. You should also take that lip balm. Actually it is not lip balm, but everyone will use it as their need, but I will be using them as my lip balm, so I'm telling them as lip balm. And then I'm going to use my lipstick. It's like dark red. Why I choose this color means then only the lip balm will come in a nude shade. That's why I choose this red color. The shade you want you can choose, but if it's very lighter means the lip balm will also come very light. That's why I'm saying. And then you should first mix them, and then what you have to do is you have to do a double boiling method. Everyone know it, I think so. First take a hot water and then place the bowl in that and then mix them all. I haven't showed them in the fast motion, so it's looking like I have been mixed very fast. That's why it's looking like that. Yeah. Friends, the bowl is looking weird, I know, because this is the second time I am doing this lip balm. Actually I have been tried the first time. The first time it came a good result. That's why I shooted it. That's why it's looking so weird. Please don't care of it. So yeah. Friends, now our lip balm is ready. I'm going to just apply it on my hands and I'm going to show you, and as well in my lips. Friends, after applying this lip balm, I feel that I'm applied a nude shade lipstick. It's look like that only, and it's very nice in my lips, and I am dusky skin tone and it suits for me very nice. And if you are fair skin means it will be also suiting, I think so. You can also try this and tell me in the comment box how it works for you, and you can also share it to your friends. And if you like this video, like. And friends, if you didn't watch our Q&A planning video, you can go and watch. In the description box there is link, and you can comment what and all questions you want to ask me. Any questions it can be related to YouTube or related to me. Please ask me any questions. So the answering video will be soon. So bye friends. In the next video I will see you.